Our purpose is very simple. We have come to National Assembly.
When we are done with the interview,
we have come to National Assembly to tell Mr. President, thank you for finding one of our own to appoint as a member of Non-Central Development Commission. And also, we have the leadership of NASS, National Association of Nigerian Students here. We have the leadership of National Youth Council of Nigeria. Then we have various leaders of civil society groups. And we have amongst us here the indigenous people of the FCT, Abuja. Then we have the residents, members of the FCT, Abuja. And all of them will be convening a thank you message to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and our amiable leader, the distinguished Senator Godswill Akpabio, the Senate President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and our amiable Speaker, Dr. Tajuddin Abbas of the Federal House of Representatives. We have come to say a big thank you for finding one of our own to award.
My name is Comrade Igwe Udeomanta. The nations of Nigeria, yes. Greatest Nigerian student, yes. Build the youth, build the nation. Abuja residents forever. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu scored a finishing hat-trick with the appointment of Comrade Solomon Adodo into the board of the North Central Development Commission. An appreciation and solidarity rally by civil society organizations, the National Youth Council of Nigeria, the National Association of Nigerian Students, and indigenous and residents of the Federal Capital Territory. Being the text of a rally by the above-named group to thank Mr. President held today, 22nd of May 2025 in Abuja. Last week, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, in exercise of his powers under the 1999 Constitution, approved the appointment of Comrade Solomon Adodo into the board of the North Central Development Commission, NCDC, thereby scoring an important and finishing hat-trick thereto. Through this appointment, a true nationalist, veteran of the civil society struggle, outstanding young leader, a national development advocate and activist, was handed a platform to take his years of patriotic service to higher heights. It also once again reaffirms Mr. President's belief in youth and his commitment to involve them in governance. And again, he increased his administration's political mileage in terms of support for the renewed hope agenda and mobilization towards the 2027 presidential election, Adodo himself being a grassroots mobilizer of proven mettle. We are therefore here today in our numbers to thank Mr. President for this honor done to the civil society, to the Nigerian students, to the Nigerian youths, and to the residents of the Federal Capital Territory. We wish to assure Mr. President of our unalloyed support and firm solidarity. It is not in our nature to be aloof when and where we are involved, because by this appointment, the President has once again involved us. That's right. In the coming days, he will be more convinced about this choice of Comrade Adodo, which he has made. Adodo is one of the comrades that can be trusted, as has been said by the chief scribe of National Association of Nigerian Students, to deliver on any given assignment. He has at several difficult times mobilized compatriots in defense of matters of best national interest and have defended this renewed hope agenda, even in times when it was not convenient or very fashionable to do so. And he has done so with the best of intentions, clarity of purpose, and deep convictions. There are a lot of works to be done by citizens to support President Tinubu to succeed. Most important of this is to encourage him to remain on the path of the socio-economic recovery and geometric progress which his reforms are ushering. The President can rest assured that he has won more dedicated foot soldiers by this particular appointment. Of course, before Adodo, Mr. President had entrusted many other young Nigerians with sensitive assignments, for which most of them are discharging creditably. The young people of this country are taking judicial notice of every position of trust, policy, legislation, and actions of government to improve the constituency of young people in Nigeria. It will surely be rewarded. We are aware that some group with completely zero identity, who is financed by our opposition senator and one misguided mandate secretary of the Federal Capital Territory Administration, are disparaging and threatening our dear president for this unassailably great choice of choosing Comrade Adodo. For us, we are amazed by this, by the very audacity of these people who never supported Mr. President to threaten him. We therefore ask, is it that those elements can threaten the peace of the FCT? No. Of course, their protest yesterday, May 21, 2025, where they were quickly dispersed, is a proof that the real street and stakeholders of Abuja are not part of it. We also ask, is it that they will not support Mr. President? Their support is so insignificant for us to care. Besides, we know where their political allegiance is. It therefore comes to non-issue. The noise you see is not what we want to address. It's of no consequence, but we just want to say that it is just a distraction. With what Mr. President is doing in Abuja through the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Chief Wike, political support of the FCT is sure for Mr. President. And now, coupled with the energizing of Comrade Adodo with this appointment under discourse, the support of genuine FCT indigenes and residents are with Mr. President. We can assure Mr. President of quantum support. There is no threat whatsoever. There is no lack of support. We are not looking for people. There must be few dissenters, and that is okay. As long as they go about their dissentment and resentment in orderly manner, not the riotous and rancorous way they went about it yesterday, we are okay with it because it's of no consequence, as we have said. Opposition politics is okay, but those who get involved in it should be clear with it. Hiding under a well-deserved appointment to castrate political discontent is shameful and unacceptable. It is therefore never going to detract from the fact that Mr. President now enjoys tremendous support across the country, particularly in the FCT. Once again, we say a big thank you to the father of the nation, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for this appointment. We also congratulate warmly our comrade in arms, Solomon Adodo. We are very confident that he will justify the rationale behind this appointment and uphold the confidence which Mr. President has reposed in him. We know Adodo. He will never fail.
My name is Comrade Anzaku Shedrack. I'm the Secretary General, National Show of Nigerian NASS, National Headquarters. What we are here to do today is very simple, to appreciate Mr. President, His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for the good job he has done, recognizing one of us. The appointment of Comrade Solomon Adodo is simply what we call a round peg in a round hole. We are happy because it has shown that the reward for hard work is more work. Yes. And he who goes to equity must go with clean hands. Yes. Solomon Adodo is a youth, a vibrant one, who is eloquent, articulate, and who has supported the Renew Hope administration in all ramifications. It shows that the Renew Hope administration has the ability to identify people at the level of the grassroots. He's a grassrooter in all ramifications. We are here to thank President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and also to thank the Senate for such a wonderful appointment. We know that Nigerian youth and Nigerians at large will benefit from such eloquence, such articulates, and such appointments. We want to say that the president should not focus on people who are here to distract their attention. Rather, people who want the renewed hope to succeed in all ramifications. Comrade Solomon Adodo is among those who are nation builders. Yes. We, from the National Show of Nigerian Students, we are here to pass a vote of confidence on Comrade Solomon Adodo. The appointment, we want to say, I will repeat again, is a round peg in a round hole because we know him, we trust him, we are confident because he's visionary, he's transparent, he's eloquent, and he has what it takes to drive the North Central Development Commission to the promised land. Yes. So on behalf of the National Association of Nigerian Students, thank you, His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. This appointment is for Nigerian students, this appointment is for Nigerian youth, this appointment is for North Central indigenes, and we are happy with him, we are okay with him. His track records are very clean. You can check. Right when he was president of the Youth Council of Nigeria, he led with all fairness, doggedness. So why can't we try him? And why can't he serve Thank you so much.
We are here to, my name is Prof.Mgbeke Yakubu, Vice President, North Central National Youth Council of Nigeria. We are very peaceful young people in this country, and what we are saying is that we are appreciating Mr. President for making sure that our region wants to be developed. And what some people are doing is called distractions. What they could have had for is that, okay, Mr. President, can you add some more lists for us? Can you expand the nomination so it can cross across all boards? But if somebody has been time to have worked for this country and is known to be a progressive comrade, and who by birth is from this town, and you want him to be substituted, I don't know the rationale behind that. But we are here today to say no going back. The commission should be inaugurated. We are here. I'm also the president of resident youth in this Abuja. We are here to support all those Mr. President has nominated within all the circle of North Central, because young people, NASS are here, unemployed young people are here, National Youth Council of Nigeria is here. So who are the other people in this country that are saying they want to come and protest? We own this country ourselves, we own Abuja together, and we hold our integrity in our hands. So what we are saying is that we are in support of the Mr. President, we are in support of the Senate, we are in support of House of Rep, we are in support of all stakeholders, those that nominated, that put the bills together. We have had problem in North Central before. Nobody has come to our aid to attack it. Now this is the time that we now call ourselves a true Nigerian. So that is what we have to say.
I remain Comrade Dr. Nachi Jacob, the convener, Coalition of Civil Society for Good Governance. That Comrade Solomon Adodo is a round peg in a round hole. For those of us that have known him, right from his years in studentship, he has displayed exceptional quality of leadership. This commemorated with his activities as he grew into the National Youth Council and eventually elevated into the civil society cycle. I make bold to say that his appointment have wakened and reawakened within the youth, the civil society cycle, and the student cycle in Nigeria.
So all we are saying with the mobilization, we are assuring the president that we in northern Nigeria, we multiply the votes he had in 2023, and we know 2027 is a goal. There's no vacancy in Aso Rock. So we in northern Nigeria, we are ready to bring back Mr. President back in 2027. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.